How to add sketch motion in Camtasia. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end, because you don't want to miss any part of the video. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So let's head over to Camtasia. In here, you want to add a video in Media Bing, and now just drag the video in the timeline. That's what you need to do. Now let me show you how you can add sketch motion in your video. Go to animations, and here we have callouts, arrows, shapes, blur, highlight, and sketch motion. So now take the one that you want to use, the form. Okay, I will go with this one and put it where you want. Move it to the part of the video that you want to use the sketch motion. Okay, for me is this one. Now we have thickness here. In annotations properties, here we have annotations, and here the new sketch motion we just added. So increase the thickness. It's up to you, but I'll increase the thickness and the dry time because we have motion. So let me show you. Now I'm using the arrows on the keyboard to move the sketch motion, and now as you can see, okay, if it's too fast, you can make it around 1 minute. Now it's slower, as you can see. You can flip. You can flip vertically. You can also move it 3D kind of. You can do this by holding Control Shift. It's very useful when you have a 3D shape. You can add other shapes here, as you can see. So that's how you had sketch motion in Camtasia. I hope this video provided you with value. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you for watching this video.